So Border Dog here just brought me my hat. He's telling me it's time to go. And it's not, Sam. No, it's not. This is Sunday. We church. This is our church day. He thinks that's part of his usual job is when we're done here, he gets to in the four-wheel thing. I can't say anything else, guys, because he understands it all. Yeah. So no, Sam. No, we're not. Later. Like tomorrow. Okay? No, we're done. We're done. So he gets himself excited. He pants. That's just him. He's so hyper all the time. And he's going to be 7 the end of October. And Border Collies do get hip dysplasia. So running him after, I'll say it, and he knows it, running him after a ball doesn't do him any good because he runs and he'll stop in an instant and so on. He hurt his hip really bad about 2 years ago. And so hip dysplasia is a concern. And, when they get it bad, you've just got to put them down. That's the way it is. And it kills them when they can't work. And so what we found works better is to let him go exercise himself naturally, like go chase a coon or something, because he's not making stop. He's not sliding to a stop. He's not spinning on a dime and putting all the pressure on them hips. See, go find the coon. Where's the squirrel? The squirrel's in the tree. Get the squirrel, Sam. Go get him. See, he doesn't hurt himself like that. When you throw a ball for him, he's got to get in front of the ball. So if you throw that ball at 50 miles an hour, he's going to get out in front of it and he's going to slide to a stop. And it puts all that pressure on his hips. And because he's a big dog, he's a heavy dog. And the heavy dogs, they get dysplasia quicker. It's just too much weight on their hips. And we've had him on a diet. Actually, we cut his food back. But he's still just heavy. I mean, he's not obese. The vet says he's obese because you can't see his ribs. But I can barely feel his ribs. And we put him back on the rice for that reason. Find the coon, Sam. Go get the coon. Go get it. Where's the coon? Go get the coon. See, he's looking for it. But he's getting older, and as we get older, we do put on more weight. And we've got him cut back, but we do give him rice and some canned food, and it seems like even though we cut back the dry, he just gains weight. Go find him, Sammy. Go on. Where's the coon? Go find him. Good job, Sam. Where is he? Where's the squirrel? Where's your snakes? Go get your snakes. Go find the snakes. He loves snakes. Are you done? Come on, let's go in. Come on. Come on, inside. He's done. I can tell. Go find the coon. It's all right, guys. I can't see the phone. I got to go inside where it's dark.